Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. Okay. So, do you know today we are going to create one trampoline pico. Okay. So, I think you know about this. So, what I will do first, I will run this project. I will show you. Okay. See if you will run what you will get. So now we will see how you will get this. Okay. And after that, you will get two pico also. Means we will create a clone also. Okay. So let's start our project. So first thing, what I will do, I will create one new file. So file new. So first thing we will add one backdrop and first we will delete our sprite. So first thing how you will add your backdrop. If you don't know you can check our previous videos also. You need to just click on choose a backdrop. Whatever backdrop you want for your project you need to select that backdrop. Suppose I want to add like a this one or this one or any backdrop you can add here. So according to your choice, which one is looking so beautiful, you can add. Suppose I want playing field. Okay. After that, we have to add two sprite. The first sprite is, if you will search Pico, you will get that. Okay. After that, we want to add the trampoline. If you will search the trampoline, you will get. See? So as you can see, now we have Pico, we have a trampoline. So first thing here, we want to add our scripting area. What we want. So in this project, we will work on MyBlock. So I think this is the first time I'm explaining you how you will use your block. Means if you want to create your own blocks. So as you can see, if you will click on motion, you will get all this. If you will click on looks, you will get all this. But if you will click on my block, you will get nothing. So now we will see how you will create your my block. So first thing we want Pico have to be walk, right? So we need to just click on make a block. What is our block name? Suppose I want to write walk and then we will click on OK. So you will get two blocks here. What is your first block? You will get walk and the second you will get define walk. See, you will get walk and then you will get your define walk. So if you want to walk, for that what thing we have to define here? Suppose we want to move, right? So what will happen now? Pico will move, right? Like this. But if you want to repeat, if you want to move 10 time or 20 time, from here to here, so for that we have to take our repeat, not forever. Why repeat? Because we want to move only little bit, right? So for that, let's see if I will run, what you will get? You will get 10 step, right? After that, we have to wait for a second and then we will change our costume. So we need to just wait for suppose little bit only 0.1 second and then we have to change the costume. What will happen? Because see, for the Pico we have a different costume. So it looks like the once you will run, it will look like Pico is walking. Okay. So if you will run, you will get nothing. Why? Because this is just a block and you have to attach this block inside your event. So you have to go to the event when flag is clicked. So when flag is clicked, we want to go to one position. Suppose we want to start from here. So we will take this position for the Pico and then we will take walk. Now see what will happen if I will run this. The Pico is walking. Again, if you will run, that is perfect. After that, what we want here. So this is our first part, how Pico will move, right? Now, what we will do, we will jump. Like after here we want to jump from here to here, like from here to here. So for that, if you will see in our scratch, we have two axes. This is your x-axis and this one is our y-axis, right? So if we want to move like from here to here, we need to change this x-axis also and this y-axis also, okay? So how we will do that? Again, we have to create one block. So here we can write a block name jump on. Click on OK. So again, you will get two. The first one, you have to define this jump on. Okay. So how we will jump? Again, we want to repeat block. Why? Because we want to move from x-axis and from y-axis also. Okay. So first we have to go to the control. We will take this two repeat block. The first one and this one is our second one. So inside the repeat block, what we have now, we have to change our x by 10 and y by 10 because we want to move from both the axes, right? So once you will scroll down, you will get your change x and you will get your change y. Just we have to do like this. Change y. And we want to repeat this suppose 10 times. After that, we want see now what will happen. Okay, so you have to always define this block here also jump on. After walk we want jump. See what will happen now. Okay, but if you want down, down position, for that we need to change our y by minus value because y axis in the downside always in minus. Okay, so once we will scroll up here, we will get change y by, instead of 10 we will take minus 10. Now see if you will run what you will get. Yes, so he is jumping toward like a, you can see here. So we can take our trampoline little bit here. Now if you will run, see what you will get. But he is as you can see Pico is going behind, right? So for that what you will do, if Pico is going to the behind, so we have to go to the front layer. Okay, so where you will get your front layer, inside the looks, once you will scroll down, you will get go to the front layer. Now see if I will run this, what you will get. Okay, so instead of minus 10, if we will take minus 5, so what you will get, see? Yes, that is the perfect now, right? After that, after jumping, what we want here, we want hoop. Hoop means that will rotate. Okay, so for that again we need to go to my block. We will make a block. We can write a name hoop, and then what we have to define here, like when we will click on, we will add the hoop here. So first thing we have to change our y because this is our y direction, right? So you have to first take your repeat block. Again we want to repeat block like a one, and this one is our second repeat. Here we want to change our y direction. First time we will change by 10 because we have to go to up then down, up and down, right? So first we will change our y by 10. So here you will get change y by 10. And then in the second we will change y by minus 10. Instead of 10 we will write it minus 10. Now you need to again go to my block and you will define hoop here, hop here. Okay. See now what we will get. That is perfect. He is jumping, right? After that, what we want here, after jumping, we will add our next part. which is, suppose if you want to take a flip, means you want to rotate this picot. So again we have to go to make a block. Instead of this we can take like a front flip. Okay, we can write a name front flip. So for front flip, what we want the picot will take a rotation. Okay, so again we have to go to our, so this is our front flip, right? What we will do, again we want to repeat this. We will not take a forever. Forever means if you want anything again and again, until and unless you are not stopping your project. But here we want to repeat only for 10 time or 20 time, right? So here again we will change our direction. So again we want our flipping in the y, means in the up. So we will take change y by 10 here, and then we will turn the degree. Okay, so we have to take a turn. You have to just scroll up here, this. Okay, and same we will do for next one. So we can duplicate, we can attach this here. See, but instead of 10 we want down position, so we can add -10. And here in the my block we will attach the front flip also. Now see, okay, that is flipping. Okay, so that is the perfect. Now we will see our next part. What is our next part? After front flip, what we want here, we want the back flip. So again we have to make a block. We can write a block name back flip, and we need to just click on OK. So you will get your back flip also. So for the back flip we want the same thing, but instead of turning this we will take our left turn. So we can just copy this first, duplicate, attach this here. But if you want the whole circle, so as you can see, the circle value we have a 360, and we are repeating this 10 times. So if you will multiply 15 into 1, you will get 150. 15 into 10, here also 150. So this is around our 300, but we want 360. So here if you will write 80, so what you will get, 18 into 10, 180, and again 18 into 10, 180. So you will get 360, right? So now what we will do, we will remove this turn and this one also, because now we want our left turn, right? This one, sorry. So we have to attach this back flip. And again, instead of 15, we will take 18 and 18. And in after front flip, you have to attach your back flip also. So this is one is your back flip. Now see, if I will run, wait, if we will take, see, so that is perfect. After that, what we want here, once we will take our back flip, even we can attach some sounds also. Okay, so that part we will see now how you will attach this sound. Okay, so when we will click on the flag, always we will make our point in direction this. Now see, that's perfect. After see front flip, back flip, if you want, your Pico will return back. So for that also, what you have to do now, how you will return back. Again, you will define one my block. Okay. So after this, what we will do, we will create one more my block, which is jump down. Okay. Jump down. And for the jump down, what we want? Yes, what you want here after jump down? So here, as you can see, for the jump on, we have this. So if you want down position, instead of taking this plus, we can add a minus. So we will just duplicate this like your jump on. So what we have here, we have changed x by, we will take minus because we want a down position, right? And this. Now see if you will run. Okay. We have to take our jump down here, okay? Now see if you will run. Perfect. Yes. So again, we have to walk back. So this is our last part, okay? So what we can do, we will make one more block. We can write a name, walk back. Okay. And then we will take the same thing like what we did here. Okay. See this define walk. But instead of moving 10 step, we will add minus 10 step. Now see if you will run. Very good. And you have to define your walk back here as okay. See, perfect. After that, if you want to attach your sound, so what we can do when flag is clicked. So when flag is clicked, in the forever we want to attach one sound. Forever, if you will go to the sound tab, you will get, suppose instead of this sound, if you want any other sound, even you can take that. See, perfect. So in this way, we can create our trampoline Pico project and you can define all your my blocks. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So thank you so much. Have a great day.